I was just a dog, broken and discarded, but my heart, it was full of love. He tossed me out like I was nothing, but I stayed, waiting under that tree, surviving on scraps. I watched him, hoping he'd see me for who I truly was. Then one night, danger came knocking. I heard his cries and instinct kicked in. I didn't hesitate. I leapt into the darkness, fighting for him. Bruised and bleeding, I chased the intruder away. In that moment, I showed him what loyalty really means. And when the morning light broke, he held me close, tears in his eyes. That day, he learned that real love, even when broken, always finds a way back to protect those we care about.